Hi stylers, welcome back to another video. If you are new here, I am Renee and I share all things home related. So today I am at Garage Trading and Installation, their showroom. I was in this plaza where Electrical Depot is on Constant Spring Road, and I just saw this showroom and I said let us go inside and see what they sell. When I came in here, I see that they sell faucet and other stuff that I use to update your space. So I'm not going to be selfish, I'm going to share it with you just in case you're looking for somewhere that you can get nice bathroom faucet, kitchen faucet. If you're looking for tiles, nice lovely tiles. If you're looking for peel and stick vinyl and peel and stick tile, guys, watch to the end, you will enjoy this walkthrough. So if you are new here again, don't forget to subscribe if you love home related videos. I share home related content each week. So if you want tips, tricks, if you want decoration, makeover, shopping videos, all things home related, you're at the right place. So I hope you guys enjoy. Please remember to subscribe and share it. Don't be selfish, share it to everyone else that you know would be interested. So I hope you continue watch and enjoy this video, and see you at the end. I hope you enjoy this walkthrough in garage trading and installation. Please remember you can check out their Instagram page or their website. So if you are interested in any price or so, you can call them. Thank you again for watching. Don't forget to share these videos for persons that want stuff like this. See you on the next video.